All right.
What's his name? Oh, I have my. What about him? He out there? I'll go check him out. Appreciate it.
All right. Mr. Duckett, are you there?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
All right, your client is just needs to connect to his audio, Mr. Huddleston. But just tell me what's going on with his case.
Ms. Toman has dismissed this case.
I don't see a dismissal in here. Oh, there.
That is correct, Judge. I just filed it about 30 minutes ago, and I just got an email that it was accepted by the clerk's office.
Yes, I see it now. Okay. All right. Well, then that's the end of that. Thank you, Mr. Duckett.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. All right. Corey, can you go get Gerardo Cano?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Hello, Mr. Salceda. You're on mute.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
I can.
Okay.
Right. And Mr. Cano is actually, we're going to go get him. He's in the hallway.
Oh, he is. Okay, good. Because I was concerned he doesn't speak English. He can't read or write in his own language. And so Zoom was impossible. But if he's in the hallway, that's fine. I spoke to him yesterday. And I told him that I would appear, but I would try to, talk to the court about whether he should appear by Zoom or not. But if he's in court, that's good.
Yeah, Corey went to go get him. But let me see. The last notes that I have on his case aren't very instructive.
Well, it's a DWI. I have an offer from the state for the Safe Start program, the DWI, the pretrial intervention. The issue for him is he's indigent, and the fees for that program are really high. It's not for poor people. And so there is a waiver, I believe, but I haven't filled out the application for that waiver. When I get back to my office on Monday, I will get with Ms. Toman about taking care of that and see if we can do it that way. Okay. If not, we'll just have to resolve it some other way.
And if he doesn't speak, read, or write English, is that Safe Start program still going to be something that's appropriate for him?
Well, my concern is that he doesn't even read in his own language. And so he may not be able to do it. Okay.
All right. Yeah, let's just be sure that whatever the disposition is, that it's appropriate for him.
Right. The other thing that I'm waiting on is the immigration advisal. I've submitted it to our immigration attorney at the public defender's office. I should have an answer really soon, and then I just need to go over that with him.
Okay.
By whatever next setting we have, we should have a definite answer of what we're going to do.
Okay. Let's do a reset for February 10th.
February 10th?
Mhm.
Okay.
Be plenty of time to get everything situated and figure out what's going to be appropriate for him.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay.
That should be
Right.
fine.
Can you
Okay.
tell him that he just needs to sign the reset before he leaves?
Okay. Should I call him? Well, I don't have his phone number with me. I'm at a CLE and I didn't bring his file. But if somebody can just kind of motion to him, he can write his name on the CL on the reset.
On the reset? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And-
we'll get a reset to him and then we'll send you the copy that he signs. And if there's nothing else, then y'all are excused.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. You too. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mr. Fernandez.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. Christopher Ortiz.
Okay, I don't see Mr. Ortiz in the waiting room.
He's out in the hallway, Judge.
Oh, he's in the hallway. Okay, if you'll, Corey, can you get Mr. Ortiz as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, and Mr. Fernandez, while he's going to get him, let's talk about what's going on with Mr. Ortiz's case.
Your Honor, I think the case is going to work out. I just need to talk to my client. The state, Ms. Marsh gave me an offer. And I think we're going to be able to work it out. I just need to talk to my client, go over it. And if my client agrees to plea, then we will submit all the documentation that we need to before the next setting.
Okay, so let's see. Let's do a reset for February 10th. That should give you guys plenty of time to get all that situated.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ortiz, thank you very much for coming to court today. If you'll just we're going to get a reset to you so that you can sign it and then you'll be free to go.
No entendí.
Your Honor, do you want me to interpret that for him?
Yes, please. Sorry. That's okay. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, Christopher, que ya gracias por venir a la corte, pero ya te puedo decir, yo hablé con la juez, después hablo contigo cuando salgas, okay?
Okay, está bien.
What was the new court date? February 10th, right?
Yes.
La nueva corte es febrero 10, okay?
Okay, muchas gracias.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That's what he said.
Okay. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Fernandez. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So I can't remember who's the attorney that shows up for Brett Landry. I can't remember his name.
This one is Vincent Tang, Judge.
Oh, this one's Vincent. Okay, thanks. I knew it wasn't Brett's. I just wanted to make sure I had. Good afternoon, Mr. Tang.
Good afternoon, Judge. Great to see you, Your Honor. I have a couple of cases on your docket. One is
We'll start with Miss Lyons. That's who I have
yes, Judge.
now.
I have in communication with Miss Jacqueline. It looks like the DPS is really dragging their feet. I'm just wondering if there's anything the court, Your Honor, can do to expedite, maybe an order to expedite the toxicology report. If that's not an option, Judge, I'll if I may request a longer reset, because it is a stressful information for any defendant, Judge.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have any authority over the DPS. If I did, I would never get a ticket. So I can't make them go any faster. And I know that COVID, I mean, they were already, I shouldn't say slow, but they were already,
Yeah. Yes.
laid. And then I think COVID probably didn't help the circumstance, the situation. So yeah, unfortunately, there's not a whole lot I can do except to just give you guys more time. And if that's what you're waiting on, is it blood results?
It's not the blood result, Judge. The BAC, the blood alcohol concentration test came back and there was no alcohol found. That's why it's a toxicology report. I don't know if that's the reason that it's taking a little bit longer, because they're not used to do the toxicology report like they do with the blood alcohol concentration test.
I've dealt with this, guys, and it does take a while. Once you flip it to the toxicology report, it takes them a while to get it back.
And how
Okay,
long?
a while meaning like 3 months, 6 months?
I've seen it take as long as 4 to 5 months.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fair. I mean, and how long ago was the request submitted?
Yes, Judge. So we are well past 4 to 5 months at this point for toxicology. I believe the lab for the blood work came back in January. And when it comes back as no alcohol, it's automatically sent to DPS for toxicology. So it's been with them probably since late January. And it is still pending as of yesterday. I got confirmation.
Okay. So let's do a reset for, I'm just going to go into March on this one.
That's fine, Judge.
Sooner,
Yeah.
then you guys can come in sooner than that, but let's
Yes,
March 7th. No, wait, sorry. March 10th.
Thursday, March 10th. That works, Judge.
All right. Ms. Lyons, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. You are excused. And I think Mr. Chang said you had another one.
Yes, Judge. Mr. Pierce, that one is a blood discovery order. Mark has sent me the county's blood discovery order. We actually had a discussion, well, via email. Mark says, well, this looked awfully almost exactly identical. And I did receive it 2 days ago, and I spent some time looked through it. Other than some numbers were switched, for example, the county's order is number 3 and we listed as number 5 and vice versa. They're really, really substantially the same order, Judge. So if that's the case and Mark has no objections, I'll just request the judge to sign the order that we filed originally, because there's really no difference. And I think Mark agrees with me on that one as well.
I mean, the only thing I want to answer to that is that if the standing order is the one the county uses, if I haven't really looked over yours closely, if you use the standing order, which you say is substantially similar, we don't have to have a hearing. If you just file it, judge signs it, and they will send you the blood discovery as soon as they have it.
Right.
It just makes it easier if you do the standing discovery order.
Okay, then I'll file it right after the hearing, Judge, if that's the case. So,
And so the standard discovery order is the one that's,
The standing order that all the courts use, Judge.
from the county judge. Yeah.
okay. Right, and so you're gonna use that standard discovery order. As soon as you file it, let me know. I will sign it and then you guys can move forward. We'll do this one for February 10th to give you guys some time to figure all that out, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
And I'll once I file it, I'll shoot Jenica an email. And so I get the court abreast on the status.
Great, sounds good. And Mr. Pierce is here. Thank you, Mr. Pierce, for dialing on. You are excused, Mr. Pierce. Thank you. And Mr. Tang, do you have any others on the docket for today?
I think that's it, Judge.
Okay.
I wish I had more cases, so I can spend more time in court. It's been a pleasure. It's great.
All
to
right,
see
thank you
Judge.
so much, Mr. Tang. If there's nothing else, then you are excused.
Thank you, Judge. God bless. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Jacqueline.
Cedric Daniels is in the hallway. Just letting you know.
Oh, okay. Hello, Ms. Lopez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Or good afternoon, sorry.
Mr. Gonzalez needed to be screened for the DWI court. Was that screening done?
He was denied. We spoke to the ADA, Jacqueline, and she offered a time served with some conditions, and he just needs some time to fulfill those conditions.
Okay. How much time does he need for those conditions?
Let's see. 1 second. I'm sorry, Jacqueline. How many AA classes were you requiring?
24.
24. Okay. And then, I mean, I would give him about a month.
Okay. How about 2? We'll do a reset for February 10th.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's for a plea. Okay, so yeah, just let us know if he finishes everything sooner than that, we can set it just for a plea, but otherwise we'll have time to get it done. Okay?
Not a problem. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Gonzalez, for dialing in. And Ms. Lopez, if there's nothing else, then you are both excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Señor González, se puede quitar de Zoom, ¿ok?
Bye.
Hey, hi, Judge.
Hello, Mr. Rabin. I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Judge, I'm driving. I can turn
Okay.
it on if you want to see me. But
No, it's okay. You don't have to. Let's see. I did try to bring in your client also, Miss Williams. Let me see if I can get
Yes,
her.
Judge, she told me she was in the waiting room.
She's in here. She just needs to connect to her audio.
Okay, I will message her also.
All right. Oh no, you don't have to. I sent her a message in the chat. All right. So let's see. If you guys landed on DWI court or what you guys decided to do.
Yes, Judge, there was some confusion over when her assessment was scheduled. We cleared it up about a week ago. I let Mark know about it as well. She's scheduled for, I believe it was like the 23rd of
It's
this
December
month to do her
27th,
assessment.
Mr. Rabinovich.
27th.
December 27th.
That's what it was. Okay, to do her assessment for it. She is still interested in DWI court, Judge.
Okay. So then let's do a reset for February 10th, give her time to do that screening, and then you guys can decide what she's going to do next.
Okay, Judge, that'd be great.
All right, excellent. If there's nothing else, then you are both excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
You're
good
welcome.
afternoon.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good afternoon, Ms. Godfrey.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I have your client here, and let's see, Mr. Ventura. Let's see. Oh, I don't have any notes on this. What's going on with Mr. Ventura's case?
So, Your Honor, the district attorney and I literally just worked out a plea offer, and he's going to send me the plea paperwork, and we are going to get that to your clerk and get it scheduled for a Zoom plea, Judge.
Okay, so you guys want to do that plea this month? We can
I
schedule it.
went back on mute, Judge. I'm sorry. Yes, if possible. Sorry.
Okay, so we can schedule it for either the 10th or the 17th.
What time would the 17th be, Judge?
It's a Friday at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock, Judge?
Yeah.
That would be perfect, Your Honor.
Okay, well then we'll send you guys a reset for December 17th. Just make sure you turn in the paperwork at least 2 days prior, which it sounds like you should be able to do that just fine. We'll see you guys on the 17th. You're both excused.
Thank you. Have a good week, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You too. Ms. Williams, hi. Your attorney appeared on your behalf and we reset your case. So just get in touch with your attorney and he'll let you know what needs to happen next, okay? All right, thank you very much for dialing in. Have a good day.
Hi.
Hello. I think you got this. Oh, the last note I have is that you still needed some discovery.
I think we've pretty much got everything. I have met with Kelsey yesterday and actually met with her in person today on Mr. Norris's case. And she's thrown some stuff out there. I've thrown some stuff out there. A client has notified me of some new evidence that he has got that will probably make a huge difference in this case. So I would like one more reset before we have to set this for trial, if that's the case.
Okay. He's got.
I'm new to the case, newer. I took over for Mr. Carter. I think this is our second appearance.
Okay.
Maybe third.
There's two cases, right?
Yes, correct. There
family
is.
violence.
Yes. We talked about some things yesterday. I met with her this morning in her office about some other alternatives and stuff, trying to convince her of some things. So, and my client informed me yesterday of some potential new material that sounds like I need to get with him to go over that.
Okay.
That might
Let's do a reset then for, sorry, let's do a reset then for February 10th.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Norris, thank you very much for dialing in. And Mr. Cox, if there's nothing else, then you are both excused.
What time will it be on February 10th?
Oh, 1:30.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. You too.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye. All right. We got hello, Mr. Benavides.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm well. So you've only got 3 resets, not a whole lot. So just update me real quick on what's going on with Mr. Gaspar's case.
So I did get access to the discovery. I've been reviewing that. Ms. Toman also talked to me a bit about DWI court. I'm just trying to get a little bit more information on it because this is a second, so I'm not sure what he qualifies for. So as soon as I get all of that information, we'll kind of make a decision on which way we're headed.
Okay, sounds good. Let's do a reset then from February 24th.
Would that be in the afternoon again?
Yes, sir.
Well, actually, that's a bad day because I'm in Galveston. Can we do another day?
Yeah, sure. Is the 22nd better? That's a Tuesday morning.
I prefer an afternoon if we can.
Then we could either do the 10th, February 10th, or March 3rd.
The 10th works.
Okay, February 10th it is at 1:30.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
And Ms. Salazar will send you a reset. You can just get Mr. Gaspar's signature on it and send it back.
I sure will. Thank you, Judge.
Right. Thank you very much, Mr. Benavides. Thank you, Mr. Gaspar. Both of you are excused. Have a good day.
Ya puede salir, listo. All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, bye. Anybody else in the hallway?
Cedric Daniels.
Corey, can you bring him in? I don't see his attorney again.
Yes, ma'am. I'll bring him in.
One that the attorney never shows up. Except for that one time. Let me see. Okay, he did finally file a motion to sub, maybe? Hold on. What, did he pick up another charge?
Yes.
Yeah.
There are 2 unfiled charges.
But he got appointed an attorney on them, like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, I don't, oh, it's a public defender's office.
Yeah. So,
And those other 2 charges are in court 1 right now. So they won't put them in our court until they're filed.
okay. All right. So once again, Mr. Daniels, you're here in court by yourself, which, I mean, I'm glad you're showing up because you're doing what you're supposed to do. I don't know if, Ms. Toman, have you had any conversations with Mr. Gagliardi about Mr. Daniels' cases?
No, Judge, I have made an offer on the case. I have not gotten a response from him.
Okay. Have you had a conversation with your attorney, Mr. Daniels?
Yes, I was conversating with him just now.
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Yes, ma'am. I was conversating with him just now, and he informed me, stated to me that he's been working. He works in 3 different counties, and right now he's in Jefferson County. And he just told me that he's texting his, I forget who I guess the other people on his law firm, that he's filing the motion right now. That's what he's telling me. But after today, if he don't file a motion, because like you say, it's been a long time, and I already paid him my money and all. That's why I've been waiting on him to see if he's gonna come through. So I just talked to him a while ago, and I just have to actually remind him that I paid him already and everything. And he seemed to then, I guess he claimed me a very busy man or whatever. So, but after this court day and this hearing, if he don't do that, then I'm gonna fire him. I'm gonna get my money back, and I'm gonna get another lawyer, or I just go with court-appointed lawyer.
Okay, because it looks like you've got 2 other cases that are not filed, meaning that the state hasn't filed charges on them yet, but you've already been appointed an attorney on the 2 unfiled cases. So just to let you know, those cases, if they do get filed, you already have an attorney appointed on those 2. So you have options. And it's the public defender's office that's appointed on the other 2 cases.
Okay.
All right. So sit tight. We're going to get you a reset, and we're going to contact your attorney and let him know that you showed up today and that he needs to get on the ball on your cases.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a seat. We'll get you a reset in a minute.
All right.